Hi, today I will show how to create table to entity model in C#. So first we need to go to MS SQL Management Studio. First we need to connect connection completed. Databases, we will go here for this database, contact management DB, tables, category. Now right click on category table, go to design mode, opening the design mode. Here we can see the several columns for category. We have to click here to select all the columns. Now copy by using keyboard Ctrl C. Now let's go back to the browser. This is gmtrezawebs.com is a tools that can be used to convert table to entity model on C#. Here we have several options: display attribute, required attribute, string length attribute with new line. So we have to paste the copied columns here. If we check display attribute, required attribute, length attribute, new line attribute, then we can see the attributes of the property. Now we have to click on generate button. Let's see. This is display attribute, this is record attribute, this is a public property with integer type. Thank you.